Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. If your acrylic landscape paintings keep coming out flat, even when you follow tutorials carefully, this is usually why. It's not your brushes, it's not your paint, and it's not a lack of talent. It's something much simpler. It's structure. And once you understand how structure works inside a painting, everything starts to feel much clearer. Many painting tutorials show you how to paint a landscape step by step, and that can be very helpful. But what often gets skipped is why those steps work. Without understanding the structure behind a painting, it's easy to finish one tutorial successfully and then feel completely unsure when facing the next blank canvas. That's the cycle many beginners experience. They can follow instructions, but they don't yet understand how to build a landscape painting on their own, and that's what makes painting feel frustrating, like you're improving but not really progressing. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine painting a landscape scene. If every part of the painting has the same level of detail and contrast, the whole image tends to feel flat. The eye doesn't know where to rest. But when a landscape is built with structure, things start to change. The background becomes softer. The middle ground begins to add shape and interest, and the foreground holds the strongest contrast and detail. This layering creates depth, and suddenly the painting begins to feel more natural and more dimensional. This idea, background, middle ground, and foreground, is one of the foundational building blocks of landscape painting. But it's just one part of a larger framework. Painters also use things like value contrast, intentional layering, controlled detail, and composition to guide the viewer's eye through the painting. Once these ideas start to click, painting stops feeling like guesswork. Instead, it becomes a process that can be repeated, understood, and improved over time. This is exactly the shift that changes everything for many painters. Instead of trying to improve one painting at a time, it becomes possible to understand how to paint landscapes with a clear, repeatable system. And that's what we focus on inside Acrylic Arts Academy. Many painters start by following tutorials and at some point begin wondering how to make their own landscape paintings feel more consistent. That's where understanding the foundations becomes incredibly helpful. Inside our landscape painting course, we walk through these ideas step by step. We cover how to create depth in landscape painting, how to control value, how to layer a painting properly, and how to build compositions that feel balanced and natural. The goal is to help painting feel calmer, clearer, and more enjoyable instead of confusing. If you'd like to go deeper into this, we've placed a link to the full course in the description below. And if now isn't the right time, that's okay too. There are plenty of tutorials here to help you keep building your skills step by step. Happy painting!